air cyclonic circulation is being formed over Bihar and a trough line that runs from this system till Tamil Nadu, moving and making an induced upper air cyclonic circulation over Odisha. Another upper air cyclonic circulation is being formed over Andaman and Nicobar Islands and adjoining Bay of Bengal. Moving towards the next slide, that is the satellite picture, convective flux can be seen over Jammu and Kashmir, Kerala along with few parts of Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea. Now the heat wave conditions, in accordance with the highest maximum temperature yesterday, the heat wave conditions are expected to prevail over Odisha, Vidarbha and some parts of Telangana. Now the highest maximum temperature. The highest maximum temperature was recorded at Chandrapur, that is in Maharashtra, 47 degrees Celsius. Now the maximum and the minimum temperatures of 4 metros. Starting with capital Delhi, which recorded maximum as 42 degrees Celsius with 28 degrees Celsius as minimum. Kolkata recorded maximum as 37 degrees Celsius with 23 degrees Celsius as minimum. Mumbai recorded maximum as 33 degrees Celsius with 25 degrees Celsius as minimum. And lastly, Chennai, which recorded maximum as 39 degrees Celsius with 30 degrees Celsius as minimum. Now the main forecast, starting with northwest, where Muzaffarabad, Chitral, Gilgit, Skardu and Kargil along with Jammu and Kashmir would experience scattered rain and thunder showers. Isolated rain and thunder showers are expected over the remaining parts of western Himalayan range, that is Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and the entire plains of northwest. Moving towards the eastern part, where West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha would experience isolated rain and thunder showers. Scattered rain and thunder showers are expected over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. Moving towards the northeastern states, the entire northeastern states would experience scattered rain and thunder showers. Quickly moving down to south, where Andaman and Nicobar Islands would experience scattered rain and thunder showers, whereas the entire peninsular India along with Lakshadweep would experience isolated rain and thunder showers. Quickly heading towards west, where Konkan, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada and the entire Gujarat region and the entire central part, that is Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Third, would experience mainly dry weather conditions. According to the Met Department, thunderstorms at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour are expected over one or two places over Tripura, Mizoram, some parts of West Bengal, Jharkhand and Odisha during next 24 hours.